little friends. Today we're learning about some wonderful snakes. Don't worry, they're not here to scare you. Maze like fancy, they're here to teach you how amazing nature is. Let's start our exciting journey!
Hey kids, I'm the rat snake. I'm not poisonous at all. I only eat rats, so humans never need to fear me. Hello children, I'm the mighty Cobra. I spread my hood like this. Shh, be careful, I'm very poisonous. Hi kids, I'm the Krait. I come out mostly at night. My bite works slowly, but don't worry, I won't bite you. Hello little friends, I'm the sand boa. People call me the two-headed snake because my head and tail look the same. I love hiding under the sand. Splash, I'm the water snake. I live near ponds and rivers, and I love eating fish. And nope, I'm not poisonous. Roar. Just kidding, I don't roar. I'm the python, big and strong. I don't use poison, I hug my food tightly. Hi kids, I'm the tree snake. I climb trees all day because I'm long and thin. Psst, can you see me? I'm the vine snake. Thin, green, and I hide inside leaves. Meow. Oh wait, I'm not a cat. I'm the cat snake. My eyes look like a cat's eyes and I'm active at night. Whee! I'm the flying snake. I don't really fly, but I glide from tree to tree like a superhero. Hi kiddos, I'm the wolf snake. I'm not poisonous, and I climb walls super fast. Watch me go. Shoop! Hello children, I'm the blind snake. I'm tiny, I look like a worm, and I live underground. Ribbit? No, that's my food. I'm the keelback, and I love eating frogs. I'm totally harmless. Look at my shiny bronze back. I'm the bronze back tree snake, and I live happily on trees. Hey kids, I'm the checkered keelback. I live near water and I'm great at catching fish. Hello, I'm the kukri snake. My teeth look like a kukri knife, but don't worry, I'm not poisonous. Hi kids, I'm the egg-eater snake. I only eat bird eggs. I'm one of the safest snakes ever. Peekaboo, I'm the green snake. I hide in leaves and eat insects. Sheen, I'm the glossy snake. I'm smooth, shiny, and super calm. I don't bite. Hello kids, I'm the earth boa. I live under the soil in small burrows. I'm tiny but very strong. So kids, now you've met all of us. You're officially snake experts. See you in the next adventure. Slither away.